All right, we're going to start Wonders. We're going to start Unit 2, Week 1. All right. All right, so our question this week is what jobs need to be done in a community? What jobs need to be in a community? And I have a cool video for us to watch, okay? So, let's look at this first. Our community. I have a little poem for us. Are you ready? On my street, houses standing in a row. One of them is mine, I know. Oh, do you hear the rhyming words? No and row. Many families on one street, each with friends. It's fun to meet. Ooh, do you hear the rhyming words? Meet and street. I want you to think about your house. Do you have friends on your block? Everywhere I look, I see. This neighborhood is home to me. So we have see and me. So our big idea this week is what makes a community. Okay, so here is our fun video that we're going to watch.
Jobs around town. What jobs need to be done in a community? Every day there are jobs that people do all over town. Your bus driver brings you to school. At school, your teachers and coaches, the librarian, the school nurse, and the principal all help you learn and play safely. Sanitation workers take away our trash, and construction workers build our roads. Mail carriers bring us our mail, while police officers and firefighters help keep us and our homes safe. After school, a crossing guard may help you cross a busy street. All around town, community workers have important jobs to do.
All right, I want you guys to talk about what kind of jobs did you see? So you pause the video and talk to who you are with. What kind of jobs did you see? All right, let's talk about community. Community is a place and the people who live in it. So your community, for some of you guys, is Halstead. Some of you guys, it's Bentley. Some of you guys live in the country. And then like me, like Miss Mason, I live in Wichita. So the community is the place and the people who live in it. All right, occupation. Occupation, that's a big word. An occupation is a job somebody does. So this person right here, her occupation is a what? What do you think it is? You said nurse. You're right. You're right. All right, we're going to read a story called Millie Waits for the Mail. Now, we're going to make some predictions about what we think this book will be about. So I'm going to show you the front cover. Okay, and then you're going to pause the video and talk with your parent about what you think this book might be about, okay? Okay, so here's the cover of the book. Millie Waits for the Mail. Okay, let's make a prediction. What do you think this story is going to be about? Pause the video and talk about it. If you said she thinks the cow is waiting for someone, like the mailman, you're correct because we use the title and the pictures to help us figure that out. All right, we're going to listen to the story now. You ready? Okay, I want to know who are our characters so far. Pause the video. Talk about who are our characters. If you said Millie and the mail carrier, you're correct. All right, let's keep reading. All right, let's talk about the setting. Where are they? Where's the story taking place? Pause the video and talk about that. If you said outside on a farm in the daytime, you're correct. All right, good job, first graders. Now I want to know what happened at the beginning of the story, what happened at the middle, and what happened at the end. So pause the video and talk about that. If you said at the beginning, Millie was outside waiting for the mailman to come to scare him, you're correct. In the middle, you said that Millie scared him and broke his bicycle. You're right. And because the mail carrier gave Millie a package. And then if you said at the last, the ending, that Millie became a mail carrier too and helped the mailman. You're correct. Good job, first graders. All right. Now we're going to blend the words, alrighty? I'm going to say the sounds and you guys are going to put them together to say the word. Are you ready? Ed. Ed. That's right. Ed. Red. That's right. Et. Met. That's right. Ed. Fed. That's right. Et. Let. That's right. Remember, do them with me. Here we go. Et. Net. Good job. Ed. Bed. That's right. Et. Pet. That's right. The last one. Pen. Good job. Alright, our skill this week is short vowel is E. So this week we're talking about short E. Short E makes like egg. Everybody do it with me. Very good. We have the right here, the E. Alright, I want you guys to tap these words for me. Are you ready? Bed. Red. Ben. Wet. Alright, we're going to fill in the blank, fill in the word. Are you ready? We have this word. This word was bed. Bed. Alright, how do you think we fill in bed? If you said B-E-D, you are correct. Bed. Bed. Alright. He's in a den. A den. Okay, tap it out. Den. If you said D-E-N, you are correct. Alright, we have a hen. Hen. Tap it out. Hen. If you said H-E-N, you are correct. Okay, we have a net. Net. If you said N-E-T, you are right. Alright, let's read this sentence. I want you guys to read them with me. Remember, if you don't know the word, tap it out. If you need to pause the video to read them, you can. Here we go. 10 men met in a jet. Okay, you're going to circle all of the short E words. So what words would we circle? What words would we circle? If you said 10, you are correct. If you said men, you are correct. If you said met, you are correct. If you said jet, you are correct. Met and jet, those words rhyme. Do you guys hear that? They have the et and then. Alright, let's do the next one. Did Jeff get a red sled? Don't forget, you can pause the video to read this. What is this called right here? Oh, if you said a question mark, you're correct. Alright, let's find our short E words. You said Jeff, you're correct. You said get, you're correct. You said sledge, you're correct. Alright. This one, Glenn let Rex get the bread. Oh, and, okay. Rex, let, get. Those are all short E words. Let's count how many words are in this sentence. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you said 6, you're correct. Alright, pause the video and do the next two sentences. Alright, we're going to say, spell, say. Are you ready? This one is leg. L-E-G, leg. Beg. B-E-G, beg. Men. M-E-N, men. Hen. H-E-N, hen. Head. H-E-A-D, head. Bread. It has a short E. B for S. B-R-E-A-D, bread. Okay, let's do grass. G-R-A-S-S, grass.